Here's a pair of the Sony LinkBuds clip. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put the earbuds in the pairing mode. So the buds are currently in the case. I'm going to open this up. I'll know it's in pairing mode if it's blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, but I had a solid green light, so let me manually put this in pairing mode then. On the back you have a button here. I'm going to press and hold that button until it starts blinking blue, blue. Button here, press and hold, keep holding, wait, blue, blue. Now go ahead and let go. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our Samsung TV, and you want to go to the settings. Click on the settings button in the remote if you have one. If not, just navigate to the home page, click on the home button, and then navigate to your settings. Mine's on the left here. Go to settings, all settings, and then we're going to go down one to sound. It says sound output TV speaker, but we want it to come out of these, not the TV speaker, so we're going to select sound output. And now we're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list. And now we're going to, I have these other headphones and earbuds paired, but we're going to keep going down. That little spinny thing up there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Oh, there you go, I found it, and it says needs pairing right there. Let's just go ahead and select it, pair and connect. Voila, we are connected, ready to go. And you should see that we're also connected. It says connected there. The other ones are just paired. These ones are actually connected. Anyway, there you go. If you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.